From humble street food to royal feasts, the journey of your favorite meals is more incredible than you know. This is the history of the dish.
Eggs Benedict is a classic American breakfast or brunch dish consisting of two halves of an English muffin, each topped with Canadian bacon or ham, a poached egg, and Hollandaise sauce. Its origins are somewhat disputed, with several competing claims to its invention. Here are the most popular theories. One of the earliest claims comes from Delmonico's, a famous New York restaurant. It is said that a regular patron, Mrs. Legrand Benedict, complained that there was nothing new on the menu, so Chef Charles Ranhofer created Eggs a la Benedict for her in the 1860s. However, Ranhofer's 1894 cookbook includes a recipe for Eggs a la Benedict, which is similar but not identical to modern Eggs Benedict. The most widely accepted story involves a hungover Wall Street broker named Lemuel Benedict. In 1894, he allegedly walked into the Waldorf Hotel, now the Waldorf-Astoria, and ordered buttered toast, poached eggs, crisp bacon, and a hooker of Hollandaise to cure his hangover. The maître d'hôtel, Oscar Cherky, was so impressed that he added the dish to the menu, substituting English muffins and ham for the toast and bacon. By the mid-20th century, Eggs Benedict became a staple of American brunch culture, with many variations emerging, such as Eggs Florentine with spinach instead of ham, Eggs Royale with smoked salmon instead of ham, Eggs Hemingway with grilled tomato and lobster. While the exact origin remains uncertain, the most plausible story is the Lemuel Benedict version at the Waldorf Hotel. Regardless of its beginnings, Eggs Benedict has become a beloved brunch classic worldwide.
Like, subscribe, and click on the next video.